So what are we getting?
An ACL.
out of the aquarium?
Yeah. Welcome back to what's not my office.
Okay, so you're going for there's one right here.
They're everywhere, dude.
Okay.
Got him. He's moving. We're talking about myofauna today. Good thing we have 9,000 of these. Maybe we'll grab 2. I never defined myofauna. We never did an intro. We can do a fake intro now and act like we haven't done the other things yet.
Yeah.
Okay. So myofauna is just like little animals.
Whoa.
There it is.
What the hell?
Right.
Yeah.
So small, fauna, animal. That is your ACL. Little
Look at that.
animals. They live in between the sand grains. Let's see if we can get.
What are all the colors?
I think those are algal symbionts. So ACLs can have symbionts. So our lab is just interested in seeing the diversity of these things. So yeah. So that is something right there.
So I played a puzzle and I earned coins and I decorate houses. And this one's Halloween.
So that could be some sort of copulatory organ.
So when you go to the beach and it's like wet sand.
Yep.
There's like all this junk.
Essentially, yeah.
I know it's not, but it looks like a little bug. Oh no!
What?
There's been a breach.
And so we got to go to the Azores for about a week and a half. Oh yeah, they're dying. Oh, that one is.
Oh my god, it's a goner.
Lots of beaches where you can go and you can get sand.
Nice.
And you can get some of that good sand.
Yeah.
This is what I'd like to classify as Nito Burrito. Our little favorite critters, aplacophorans, love coarse sand.
Gotcha.
Did I show you this in the other video that we did?
I think so.
Yeah. Still on there. And that's what's in here. So this is actually one of the animals that I got from Portugal. So now we just have to hit the make it go shoot some electrons at it button. This is an apacophoran under an SEM. It's definitely a little messed up, but that's okay, aren't we all?
And so all the little...
So these are all sclerites, which are my favorite things. Oh, look at this fun sclerite.
The one on the end?
Yeah. Gotta love them. Sclerites can be hollow or solid. So actually taking images of the broken ones are really informative.
The fact that you have like depth and texture makes it look so much better than like nematodes did.
Yeah.
Because nematodes have like no texture basically, except for the
It makes it better because aplacophorans are better. So, and the sclerites are better than a nematode.